not. It is a type of musical theatre. I believe in musical theatre. I'm sure that musical theatre has an important future. But musical theatre does not only mean opera in traditional way. I think we have to find new ways of musical theatre. And what I try to work, it's a line in my tradition in my composition techniques, to compose with optical elements too. I have these moments of darkness, and also the flashlights I have composed first time in 1981 in an opera. Flashlights in an opera. It never worked on stage because on opera stage I'm a dilettante, I'm not a professional, and it did not work in a traditional opera, but it in vain worked in this open space between concert and theatre, and composed in 2006 a concerto for light and orchestra, which has been performed in the Donaueschingen Music Festival, where the light is composed as an instrument. And if you open the score of In Vain, you will find you will find a line for light, and of course it's the light. Of course, it's not possible for. It would not make any sense if I would compose a part of the light in a complicated way, like a part of a percussion instrument. There are many things that stay often. It's only in which way it should get dark and which way it should get light. And I used optical signs in the tradition of Lutosławski. You know this technique of aleatoric music. There are signs which have to control the musicians and help the musicians to know where they are. And I just want that flashes do that what the conductor usually is doing in aleatoric music. But if you listen and see this part, you will see that I composed it in a contrapunctic way. It would be terrible, for example, if we have a flash and then all the orchestra would make wow. Yeah? It's impossible. I must compose the light points as a percussion solo. And from my personal my personal feeling, light is a type of percussion instrument, but a silent percussion instrument, but it works like a percussion instrument. And these flashes in the second part are composed like a percussion part.
Very interesting. Is it because the effect of having on and off, is this why? And because you imagine many lights? Because, I mean, one could also imagine, you know, a clarinet, niente, and then exit. But for you, lights are percussive.
It's percussive.
Okay. This is actually...
But if you look to my music, remember my pianissimo tremoli in percussion. In this way, of course, it's the light too.
Like the percussion is the light. Interesting. Okay, that's fascinating. Yeah.
No, well, in one thing, I think that's the way, because I compared with the percussion instrument. I do not have any synesthetic connections.
You do not?
Not that. If I would say
I
red is C and blue is F sharp, then in this case, light would be a melodic instrument.
Oh, okay, right.
It's a difference.
Yeah, I understand what you're saying. Yeah.
This is why I say it's a percussion instrument.
Right, right.
It doesn't have a concrete pitch.